Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how I'm going to make a Samhain or Halloween wreath. So first of all, you're going to need some fake autumn leaves. These I ordered online, but you can pick them up from craft shops, anywhere that where you can get bits and bobs to make stuff. I'm going to stick with the red and orangey looking ones. Maybe a few of the yellowy ones, maybe. And I got these from Hobbycraft. They're just a little set, just a little pack of glittery pumpkins, and I've just took the tops off because they had like ribbons in the top. I've got a bunch of pine cones I collected, which I've collected some last year, some this year, and then I've got a couple of these reddish, pinky reddish, burgundy in it, burgundy pine cones that I had out of a potpourri set. This is a wreath base. This is made out of I can't remember what it's made out of. I'll put it across the screen if I remember. And I got this from Hobbycraft. It was like £3.50 for the base, and it's made out of all natural materials, which is why I chose it. Ideally I would have liked the leaves to be natural as well, but obviously I want this to last, so I'm going to have to make it out of fake leaves. But I'm using as much real stuff like the pine cones as I can. So first of all, you need to warm up your glue gun. And while my glue gun's warming up, I'm just going to get my red leaves out. These are very lovely, bright red fake leaves. I'm just going to have a think where I want to put them. I was going to attach everything to this wreath with wire so that I can change it for Christmas, but I think I'll just hot glue everything anyway. It's easy enough to pull hot glue off stuff. Plus I might just get me a separate one and have this hanging up anyway, because I do like the colours. So I'm just going to have a look. And these leaves, by the way, I got these off, yeah, it was off Amazon, and it's like, it's either 200 or 400 of them, and it's like about £8. There's loads of them. I'm never going to use all these, so probably going to have the leaves like this, and then have the pumpkins scattered round. I'll have a think, and then I've got pine cones and that sort of thing. So let's see, is my hot glue gun ready? Yep, it's ready. So what I'm going to do first of all is just put a tiny blob of glue and just stick the first leaf in place, and do the second one opposite. I'm going to do that one there. See, if you're going to make it so it's a bit more permanent and long lasting, put a bit more glue on. I'm probably going to change this for next year, so I'm quite happy if it's just stuck on with a little bit of glue. It'll hold it on for what I need anyway. Okay, so I've got my leaves on. And you could do these colours could be for Christmas as well. Do I want pine cones next? Maybe. Or do I want my orangey? Do I want the orangey ones? Yeah, I want the orangey ones. So I want oranges, golds and reds in this. That's the colours that I want to use. Obviously, if I wanted to do it like, you know, a bit darker, I could do black and orange. But I want it to be quite colourful. So a nice ring of autumn leaves so far. Some of these don't want to separate very well because what they've done is obviously made the fabric and then they just punch them out. So they're all stuck together in the packet. There you go. Okay, so I've got that so far. I'm going to have to put a bit of yellow in, I think, just to break up the colours and make it look a bit more autumnal. I absolutely adore autumn leaves, which is why I wanted leaves in this wreath. But obviously, like I said, having real ones, they're just going to like crumble and break. So that's why I'm using the fake ones. Let's just convince these to bend how I want them. Bit more glue for you. If you find your leaves pop off more than you'd like, then obviously just put more glue on. I like that with the inner circle of yellow leaves, that's quite nice. Then I've got my pumpkins. I think I need to paint that to stop it showing up. Does it look better that way or that way? Looks pretty much the same either way. Nice big blob of glue on the bottom of that one. I need to wire these, I think. I did buy a little bit of golden wire. It's just floristry wire. Because I think what I'm going to have to do is secure these with a bit more than just poke that through the leaf. So what I'm doing is poking a bit of wire into the pumpkin, threading it through the leaf, and then I'm going to wrap that around the branches underneath. Just a little bit of wire, not too much. Yeah, definitely better wire in these. So let's do the next one. So what I'm doing is putting the wire on, poking through the leaf, if it'll let me. Sometimes the leaves aren't letting me. Using that to hold on these. I'm going to have to do the same with the pine cones as well. I'm going to have to wire those on. I can't see where I cut that. thicker wire would be better. Okay. There's always one that's awkward. Okay, so that's my pumpkins on. Now I need to do my pangolins. So let's have a look. Okay. It's definitely easy with these guys to wrap some wire around first. Let's get the other big one. And just to finish it off, I'm going to add some of this tinsel. Let's just see how big it needs to be. And I'm going to glue this to the base of the wreath. So I'm going to go around the edges underneath where the leaves go. Nice big blob of glue. So, and then every so often I'm just going to add another blob of glue, stick the tinsel to it. Make sure the tinsel goes underneath the leaves. And then to finish it off, I've changed my mind about the pine cone. I'm going to put my skull on it instead. So I'm going to put plenty of glue on the base of it. And I've got a wire going through there as well. Make some space. Okay, so I've changed the one pine cone for this skull. I just think it makes it look a bit more Samhain, a bit more Halloweeny. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.